And yes, we are back with another unboxing video. This time we are going to do the unboxing of Panasonic P100. So here's the box. The phone has been launched in India and it is available in two variants. You can get the 1GB RAM variant for 5,299 Indian rupees. Then you have this 2GB RAM variant which is available for 5,999 Indian rupees. We have the 2GB RAM variant and you can see Panasonic P100. It comes with a fingerprint sensor and has a Corning Gorilla Glass protection as well. So here are some more specifications of the product. So you can see it has this 5-inch HD 2.5D curved IPS display. Then you have 8 megapixel back camera, 5 megapixel front camera, 2200 mAh battery, 2GB RAM, 16GB storage, quad-core processor. I'll confirm the model number in a minute. 4G VoLTE, smart gestures, non-hybrid SIM card slot, so you can use 2 SIM cards and 1 dedicated microSD card. Then you have OTG support as well. So let's unbox it and let's see what all contents do you get in the retail package. So the top note says congratulations on your new phone, and it has this Corning Gorilla Glass protection. Interesting. So let me just take this out. So here's the Panasonic P100 and you can see how it looks. The phone looks nice. We will be talking more about the device in a minute. Let's just check out other contents present in the box. So here you get another box which might contain all the manuals. Let me just open that. So you get a case within the box. That's always a good thing, so you don't need to buy a case separately. Then you have the warranty card, a user manual or a quick start guide for P100, and then you even get a screen protector within the box. Though the phone comes with Corning Gorilla Glass protection, you can use this additional screen guard if you want to. Then you have a new box which will have a charging cable, which is a standard USB to micro USB charging cable. Then you have earphones, which appears to be in-ear earphones, and there's also a mic with a button to take or reject the calls. And finally you do have this 2200 mAh battery as well. This will contain the charging adapter, I assume. So I need to tear this plastic in order to take it out. So this is the Panasonic charging adapter, and you can see the output rating. It's 1 amp at 5 volts. So these are the contents that you will get if you order Panasonic P100 smartphone. So here's the Panasonic P100 smartphone. Talking first about the design and build quality, you get this glossy back which looks nice. It does not attract a lot of fingerprints even though it is glossy in nature. You get this 8 megapixel back camera with fingerprint sensor and Panasonic branding. On the right side you have volume rocker and power button. On the top a 3.5mm audio jack. On the bottom side a microSD port, and on the left side you don't have any ports or the buttons. In the front you again get this Panasonic branding, a 5 megapixel front facing camera with LED flash as well. Then you have this 5-inch HD display which comes with this 2.5D curved glass and also has Corning Gorilla Glass protection. Below the display you have usual Android touch buttons. One is the home button, multitasking key, and the back button. You can open the back panel in order to insert the battery. Yes, you have removable battery, and that's not all. You get dedicated microSD card slot on this device. So you can use a microSD card slot along with 2 SIM card slots at the same time. So that's a good thing. So you can use multiple SIM cards and microSD card. Overall, in terms of design and build quality, the phone looks nice. It has a good design as well as build quality. The back looks really nice in this glossy finish. Coming to the display part, this is a 5-inch display and this has a 720p resolution. We didn't face any issues. It is a very bright display. In fact, currently while shooting we are at the lowest brightness, as you can see. We didn't face any issues with the display. It does have Corning Gorilla Glass protection so that it does not get scratched easily. Moving on, let's talk about other details. So you get MediaTek MT6737 processor on this device. You can opt for 1GB or 2GB RAM variant depending upon your preferences. It runs on Android 7.0 out of the box. You get 16GB storage, but you can obviously expand it by using a microSD card. And here are some more details. and here's a list of sensors. So you do get accelerometer on the device, then you have light sensor, proximity sensor. In terms of day-to-day applications, this is an entry-level smartphone, so it can handle your day-to-day applications like Facebook, WhatsApp without any issues. You can even do decent level of multitasking. As you can see right now, we are running few applications. MediaTek MT6737 is a average processor. It can handle day-to-day applications without any issues, and again, this is an affordable segment device, not meant for high-end users or heavy users who want to play a lot of games, because MT6737 can't run those games. It can run games like Asphalt 8, but you might not be able to run them on high settings without lag. So moving on, let's talk about other features in the software part. Company has given some interesting features in the software. So if you visit the software settings, you'll find something new here, and that's known as Smart Suit. So you get some interesting features like pocket mode, which allows you to increase the volume if your device is in pocket. Then you have some other intelligent options as well, like flip to mute, smart dial and smart answer, which really improves the overall user experience. These are not very big features, but these minor features does help in improving the overall user experience. Then in terms of security, you do have the fingerprint sensor, but additionally company has given some other security options as well. So if you go into the security option over here, you will find that you have this smart lock feature. Let me just input the password, and once you go into the smart lock and input your password, here you can see you have the on-body detection mode. What it does is, if your device is in your hands or if you are using it, it will not get logged. Then you have trusted places, which works with the GPS. So if you are at your home, your device won't be needing to get logged. Then if you're at somewhere new, it will get logged. Then you have trusted devices, trusted face, that is face unlock, and finally the trusted voice. So you can say okay Google in order to search something, and at the same time it will also unlock the smartphone, and okay Google also started using the smartphone right now. So let me just go back. So you can add the locations here. Or in terms of software, you are getting Android 7 with mostly stock Android experience over here. You do get some preloaded applications on the device like Taze, Swift keyboard, etc. So you can use regional languages using the Swift keyboard as well. Now coming to the camera part, you get an 8 megapixel back camera and a 5 megapixel front facing camera. The good thing is the front camera also offers you an LED flash, which is present over here, so that you can capture good quality images even in low light conditions. Here are some sample images P100 smartphone. Now if you zoom in, you can read the first car number plate without any issues. So you can see the level of details, but if you try to zoom in further, you can even read the partial plate on second car. The other side is being hidden by the sunlight, but you can see the level of details the back camera captures. So at 6000 the back camera seems to be working well. The front and the back camera seems to be working fine. Now the phone comes with 2200 mAh battery, which should give you a battery life of 1 day with light to moderate usage. It does have a fingerprint sensor and a dedicated microSD card, as we told you earlier. So that's all about the Panasonic P100 smartphone. It is a decent offering from the company. Under 6000 they are giving you a nice design. You get good set of cameras, of 5-inch HD display with Corning Gorilla Glass protection. Then you have some interesting features like smart lock. Then you have other features like smart suit, etc. You can visit the settings option as we showed you earlier. Here you have the smart suit, and under security you have the smart lock features available. Then you have 2200 mAh battery. The processor is MT6737, which can handle basic applications for affordable segment. So that's all about the device. Do let us know your thoughts about the Panasonic P100, and if you want us to compare it with other smartphones. Till then, stay tuned and thanks for watching.